Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Andrea with Foodimentary Adventures in Food, and I am here today with a quick and easy recipe for $1 million pie. Now, this is a recipe that I grew up with as a child, and I'm excited to share it with you today. You just need a few simple ingredients. You're going to need some coconut, pecans, sugar, a graham cracker crust. Now I am using a pecan pie crust, not necessary for this recipe, but this is what I had on hand. A regular graham cracker crust will work just fine. You're also going to need some whipped topping, some crushed pineapple, and cream cheese. And I will make sure to leave the recipe in the description box so that you'll have the exact measurements. So if you want to see how this quick and easy pie comes together, stay tuned. Okay guys, so in my bowl I have my softened cream cheese, and to that I am going to add my sugar. And I am just going to mix this until it is creamed together. And next, I'm going to add probably a little bit more than half of this container of whipped topping. And I'm just gonna fold it in. And then I'm just gonna add in the rest of my ingredients. I'm telling you guys, this is the easiest pie recipe ever, and it is so good. Everyone always loves it. So I'm gonna drop in my coconut and my crushed pineapple. And I did drain it if I didn't mention that before. It's drained. And then I've got my chopped pecans. I'm gonna stir all of this together. Now, if you want a lighter, fluffier pie, definitely go ahead and add in more whipped topping if you'd like. Okay, I've got everything all incorporated. I'm just gonna grab my pie shell here, and I'm just going to pour in my mixture. Okay, I've got everything all spread out in there, and I am just going to cover this up with the top, and then I am going to let this chill completely in the refrigerator, probably for about 4 or 5 hours. And then I will be back and show you the finished product. All right guys, so here is the pie. I did let it cool or chill in my refrigerator for about 5 hours. I cut out a slice and I topped it with some whipped topping. Here it is. Let me get in a little bit closer for you guys so you can see the pineapple and the nuts in there. This is so good. And here's the pie itself. Like I said, this is such a quick and easy recipe, but it is so flavorful and delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give us a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, I certainly hope you'll do so. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.